Hello everyone. Today I want to show you something very unique about factorization method in solving quadratic equation. When you have a quadratic equation like this, x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0, the first thing you're going to do is two numbers that when you multiply you have 6, and then when you add them you have 5. Two numbers that when you add them you have 5, when you multiply you have 6, 2 and 3. So this 2 and 3 is going to replace the middle. So you're going to have x squared. Instead of 5x, it will be 2x plus 3x plus 6 equals 0. Okay, from here, what is common between these two? X. X is here, x is also here. When you remove x from here, you are left with 1x plus. When you remove x from here, you are left with 2 plus. Now this one, what is common between these two? 3. 3 can divide this. 3 can also divide 6. So you have 3 outside. When 3 leaves here, you have x. And when 3 leaves 6, you have what? 2. So equals 0. That's division, right? 3 divides this. X. 3 divides 6, 2. So x plus 2 are common. They are the same. So you pick only one. X plus 2, right? When x plus 2 leaves here, you're left with x. And when x plus 2 leaves here, you're left with 3, right? So just join what is outside together. Pick one of the brackets, okay? Equal to 0. Now, let me explain the mystery behind these two brackets equal to 0. A lot of students don't know why we make each of the brackets equal to 0. In life, there is only one way you can get 0 when you multiply two things. Only one way. It's either one of them is 0 or the two of them are 0. For example, you can never have something times another, two numbers multiply to get 0. Impossible. So it's either one of them is 0, that's 0 times 3 equals 0, or 2, or the left one is 0, or the other one is what? Is 0, or the 2 is what? 0. That's the only way in life you can get 0, when you multiply two numbers. Meaning this bracket is multiplying this bracket. One of them must be 0. Okay, one of them must be 0. So that's why we use or. X plus 2 is 0, or that's the reason we use or. X plus 3 is what? 0. So it could be both of them. It could be this or this. So you're going to get two answers. If plus 2 crosses from here, x equals minus 2, right? Because plus 2 cross, of course, you know. So if plus 3 crosses to this other side, x is what? Minus 3. Therefore, x equals minus 2 or minus 3. And that is how to solve quadratic equation using factorization method. I'll be teaching you three other methods apart from factorization method, which are the graphical, the completing the square method, and the formula method. And I have one bonus method for you that you cannot find in any textbook. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.